What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz back with another video. I got a pair of these retro Air Jordan 6 Hares. These bad boys. Today we're going to be doing a lot of cleaning on the uppers, the midsole. They don't look like they need any paint on the material. So a little bit of icing on the bottoms. More likely 2 sessions would do these bad boys. Beat to heat, guys. You know it. So we're gonna need a bowl of water and soap. We got our brush to dig down deep to get that gunk, to get layers of dirt off these shoes before we put them in the washer. Make sure you scrub nice into the suede to get all that dirt up, lift it up, right? So then when you put them in the washer, it'll be an easy clean for the icing as well. For this next step, we got our plastic for the shoe sauce, and apply weight to the shoe, guys. No effort needed. You just nicely cover the entire bottoms. Make sure it's real mixed in between the cracks, the circle pods that's underneath the shoe, and just watch magic do itself. Fresh from the ice box, they came out pretty good. Could use a little bit of acetone on the front, acrylic paint in the back heel area. I should have did another ice session, a little bit more acetone, but so far pretty solid. This would do for now. Next step, we gotta fix this scuff mark, guys, with the acrylic white paintbrush. Pour a little bit of that dab on there. Get it right. And jump in there like swimwear. So I'm gonna let the rest of this video play off, guys, and I'll see you here in a second. Let the paint fully dry for like an hour or two, and top it off with the acrylic sealer finisher, and you're good to go. Hear ye, hear ye. Look at these bad boys, man. Look at it. Yee. Well, so far, this is the results. I could not get that suede damage as you just saw a second ago, but I give these bad boys a 8 out of 10. Anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.